Hey everyone, Mark here with Nightingale University, and today we're going to be highlighting the movement and motions of our WXO, our World XO. The WXO was designed as an all-mesh chair. The uniqueness to it, there's a number of things. First of all, I'd like to point out the torsion bar system. This is the silver end of the bar you see. It's a superior sitting support as opposed to a spring system. The torsion bar offers an unbroken, uninterrupted flow of support as you sit and recline through the day in your WXO. This has Ablex mesh, and the design of our lumbar support in this chair is in sync with the design of the back. You see quite a severe curve there, and then the Ablex mesh as well. That has intrinsic thoracic lumbar support built right into it. Okay, so I'm going to sit in the chair now and show a few of the different features of this chair for us. First of all, we'll talk about the gas lift. The lever here, and by the way, all of the levers on this chair are cable activated. That just allows for direct and immediate response when you make a movement by moving one of the levers. This lever on the front right of the chair, that's our gas lift. Okay, so there's your height adjustment. We'll put that in position as required. Okay, our arms will come up in height for us. There's just buttons on the side, and they actually securely lock into 3 different positions for height. Okay, on the front of each arm underneath, you have a button that you push up, and that gives you 3 different positions. It's a 3-way pivot: pigeon toe in, straight out, or flare out, as you like. I'm going to lower those back down for us, and then I'd like to show you our multi-tilter lock control here. Again, small paddle in the front. Okay, when it's up, it's locked in an upright position to hold it in place. When you put it into the middle setting, okay, that's going to give you your free float. And as you look at this, folks, I'd just like to direct your attention, and it really shows what we call the Tour Glider mechanism on this chair, which is unique and patented to our WXO. You can see how effortless and how smooth that ride is. As I'm reclining back, the back of the seat is dropping for me as well. Okay, and that helps my legs to stay straight, supported, my feet are flat on the ground, and again, that is our patented Tour Glider system for the WXO. Okay, I'd also like to point out the fact we have waterfall design on the front, and that's just to alleviate pressure spots building up on the leg, causing discomfort. Okay, both of these chairs are WXOs, and as you can see, the difference is this is our all mesh. This is a white leather, but it could also be any fabric that you would choose. With a fabric WXO, you're getting the distinct advantages of our Enersorb seat cushioning, and also you can see the finish on the back of a fabric or a leather WXO and how beautiful that finish is. We would certainly welcome your attendance to nightingalechairs.com, and where there's more information on our WXO.